Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to use repeated command. You know that repeated it means we will provide the number of different uh, use for AutoCAD. So how is it repeated command? To command is using for repeated command when your enter command is also repeated command and uh, space space button is also use repeated command. When you show that, first of all I will click the line here. Okay, continuation show you how to repeat it. When our line is going anywhere, so I go to F8, I will press the F8 and this is click, right, and has been entered, selected is there, line is complete. Then I want this line is continuation to again become here. So how is it possible? When you go to select again line, then click here, then also start from this point. This is the method, but I use the enter and use the backspace button, so directly repeated for command. Just previous command I have selected whatever command. If you select the dimension, if you select the line, if you select the circle, if you select the little line, if you select the everything for AutoCAD command is directly repeated for enter press and backspace button press. So right now I press enter and apply the command. You saw her, this is apply the command here, easy way. Okay, so this is click again, enter, release, again enter, apply, and this is, so it's a very good command for AutoCAD. If you click here, then click right now, enter, then select all command and go to use the trim entity. So TR, enter, press the TR enter and click this line and click this line, it is trim. Okay, when you again just you click this trim here, when you enter apply the trim right now, when you apply the trim and trim right now. So just time enter, not click the TR, not click the here, they are only for enter, then apply the repeated command. Okay. Then again show you the line here, line, click line, L enter, and L enter show you now join this point, and also again L, again I'm not again use for L enter, I'm again only for the enter button, backspace button, they are repeated command continuously. So today I will discuss about how to get repeated command in every process, line, rectangle, circle, whatever. Okay, so when you use the circle here, then here the joint in one circle, right, but I want this way isn't create the half circle, so again not create the circle and not apply the here and not create the C enter, I'm just click enter the button, enter button and backspace button. Okay, so you it's become the circle, again come from this AutoCAD background, and also again enter, this is here come from. So it's a very useful for repeated command, because sometime I want use the different same diagram, so when you use for the repeated, right, when you do the copy, so same diagram is again copy, so enter the backspace and enter button. So when I go to select this all command and I want go to trim here. So when okay, tr enter, then trim. But again I want to go to enter here, so select this all command and enter, apply the trim command, and also trim here and also trim here. But this is not select, so how not the trim? So when you go to select and enter and apply the trim. So you know that how is it possible for repeated command. It's a more useful and importance for repeated command. When you go to dimension here, so DLI enter and press this way and this way and apply the dimension, and again enter this way and this way, apply the dimension, and again enter this way, apply the dimension. Also this point to this point, apply the dimension. Okay, right? When you click enter and shortcut DDI, there provide the dimension and here the diameter, and also enter DRA, apply the radius here. Look at this. I will go to delete. Okay, so this is dimension here. When you change the format, so easily de-enter, so the dimension style has gone to change, easily modify and change the height. So height is become 1 mm is sufficient, and provide the color is green, and primary unit system is 0. Okay, then again use feet, it's called above and align, right? When I do the OK and current set and close, look at this, it is provide the dimension here. So it means I want today I will discuss about only for how to repeat command. When I go to nodes, right? Okay, so this is nodes here, but I want here the plan view. I will write now plan view. So enter the text, enter the T enter become text here. Look at this text here, and I write now plan view. When I change the height and color, no, I'm going to only height change 1.2 mm, so it is called plan view. Look at this here, the plan view. When you provide the color, so here available color, there's a many types, different types of color available. When you choose from and it's give the color. Okay, so right now this is provide the color, but today I am enter the now I am enter whatever, just not the click the any command, I am just enter. So what is here come from, our property has come, because this is I will provide the just color here. So when you so this you want to get this color, so definitely I will change the different color. Okay, so it is provide the different our properties right now. When you provide the red color, when you provide, so Recently I get whatever command I use, it's become repeated command. So like it's a very useful command for repeated. So enter the backspace button and enter command. So thank you for watching.